I'm going to show you how to use the left, right, and mid functions to pull apart these product codes so that you don't have to manually rewrite them. So here's our scenario. We have our product codes and we want to pick apart our country, color, and number without rewriting them. So the first thing we can do in order to extract the country is type equals left and then go ahead and select our product code. And what we want to do is count how many characters from the left we want to extract. So 1, 2, 3. We can type a comma and then a 3 and then hit enter. And then we have our USA here, and then auto-populating down, we have all our countries. We're going to go ahead and skip color and go to number and use our right function. So go ahead and type equals right, and then click your product code. And this says how many characters from the right do we want to extract. So in our case, 1, 2, 3 to extract our number. So go ahead and type a comma 3, hit enter, and then auto-populate down. Okay, so now for the tricky one. We want to go ahead and extract the middle, which is going to be our color, and we can't use left and we can't use right. So let's go ahead and type equals mid. And this function takes 3 parameters, not 2. So click your product code, and the first parameter that it wants is going to be the start number where you want to start extracting your characters. So for our case, we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go ahead, type comma 5, and then how many characters do we want to extract starting at 5? 1, 2, 3. So type 3 and then hit enter, and you've extracted your color. Auto-populating down, we are good to go, and we didn't have to rewrite any of these.